G'day, I'm Stu from Jimy Tools. Today I'm going to take you through our 2021 Introductory Toolkit. Stay tuned, check out this video. It's our Introductory Toolkit and it's going to be available throughout 2021. It's a 260 piece entry-level toolkit. It's going to give you just about everything you're going to need to be able to get through most of the tasks at your workplace. We've dropped it inside this 12 drawer 42 inch roller cap. The colour that you're looking at here is SUNKISS orange. These also come in MUTANT, which is green with black drawers. Comes in full black, and it also comes in ghost grey, which will be available in a couple of weeks time. So let's have a look at exactly what you're going to get in your Jimy Tools Introductory Toolkit. So this is our 42 inch roll cap. So it measures up at 559 deep off the ground, about 1 metre high, and you're looking at about 1065 wide. So in the top drawer, we load you up with this 142 piece toolkit. Beautiful dense foam EVA tray. Comes with just about everything that you're going to be needing quick access to. Also, our new range of Jimy sockets. Absolutely awesome set of sockets. These are now color coded, blue or red for Imperial. So you got your 1/2 inch, your 3/8, your 1/4 inch drive. You've got a set of spark plug sockets there, some uni joints. You got some adapters. So your 1/2 inch drive, really good drive. These last the test of time, full lifetime warranty on these. 3/8 drive there, and your 1/4 inch as well. 3/8 drive. And that's your 1/4 inch drive. So you can see very good quality tools, full lifetime warranty. Got a 1/2 inch breaker. Great quality shifters in here as well. Got your gauge across the bottom there as well, so you know roughly where you need to go. You got a couple of 75s, one in 1/4 inch, one in 3/8. You've got a 150 in 1/4 inch, a 150 in 3/8, 125 in 1/2 inch, and a 75 in 1/2 inch. So you got a 38 piece bit set there as well. Great thing about these EVA trays as well is if anything's missing, stands out like a sore thumb. So you can say to yourself, mate, where have I left that? So that takes care of your top drawer. Everything that you're going to need at quick access. Now you get a set of Jimy Tools spanners, Imperial, and you get metric. So they go from 1/4 inch to 15/16 in Imperial and 7mm to 21 in metric. Now our spanners, they are absolutely brilliant spanners. These spanners are forged chrome vanadium steel. They're hardened, they're tempered. They run a 15-degree ring and jaw offset. They exceed the international ASME and DIN standards. So these will last the test of time. They've got a full lifetime warranty as well. Up the back, as you'll see, we've got another EVA tray that consists of 8 screwdrivers. You've got your stubbies, you've got your smaller screwdrivers and your larger screwdrivers here as well. Good range of screwdrivers for just about everything that you're going to need to get you started. So in your next drawer now, what we've got is our Allen key set. So you've got Imperial and you've got metric Allen keys. Your Imperial Allen keys go from a tiny 1/16 up to 3/8, from 1.5 to 10mm. I've also got a set of Torx there. They go from T10 to T50, and everyone needs a hacksaw, so we include a really good quality version of that as well. So next drawer, you got all your deep sockets. You got 1/2 inch in metric and Imperial, 3/8 and 1/4 inch also in metric and Imperial. You got a 4-piece circlip plier set, a 1500 gram club hammer, and a 16-ounce standard hammer as well. All very good quality, lifetime warranty. So there you have our introductory toolkit. 260 piece, can be stacked into just about any one of our roll cabs or even top and bottoms, 42 inch, 56 inch. Doesn't matter about the box. The main thing is your toolkit. If you want to buy one of these, you can just buy them direct off our website. It's a really easy ordering process, and we ship Australia-wide every single day. So no dramas getting you the tools that you need. We're an Australian family-owned business, been going longer than 27 years. If you've got any questions, any queries, hit me up in the comments below or send a message to our page. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching.